How to send one-time voice messages on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about sending one-time voice messages on WhatsApp. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp application on your mobile device, and you can verify by going to Play Store, searching for WhatsApp application, and once you find it, click on it. And if you see an update button instead of open button, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now close this, open your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the conversation you'd like to work on, then tap on the voice message over here. Simply record anything you'd like to say. And after you've recorded, simply tap on the button in the right that is indicating number 1. Click on it. And you can see the indication that the voice message has been sent to view once or listen to once. Then tap on OK to send. Now the voice message has been sent to the specific individual and they'll only able to play it once. So this way you can easily send voice messages to only view or listen once. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.